Hi, welcome to interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is Agile methodology, one of the important interview question. So there are two methods, waterfall and Agile, for software development. So whenever you develop a software, so there are two methods you can use to develop the software. So waterfall is an old method where you start with analysis, then design, then code, and you finish with testing. So it's like it will take a lot of months, and it will take a lot of time and a lot of documentations involved. And to the change, whenever there is a change involved, it is little bit tough to include in the waterfall model. So let's see the points that Agile. Let's see the advantages of Agile. Agile development is a different way of managing IT development teams and projects, individuals and interactions over process and tools. So Agile says people are important, the team is important, the individuals are important, and their communication is very important, rather than the process that you have, that you are following, and the tools that you have. And the people that going to deliver, or they're going to produce something, are important. The third point is working software over comprehensive documentation. Earlier we used to have a lot of documentation, FSpec, DSpec, a lot of specifications, but the Agile focuses on working software. I need to see the software even before I see the documentations. So it says focus on the working software, less documentation. Okay. Agile does not be any documentation, but it says don't focus more on the documentation, but focus on the working software, because the customer wants to see the software frequently that you are developing. Customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Customer collaboration means you involve the customers during the process of developing the software, whereas here the waterfall, you get the requirement, that's it. So at the end you show the software to them. So if there is any change they want to do, it's very tough to include that change, and they might say this is not what we expect something else. So there is a problem in that. So customer collaboration, so frequently, for every quarter you can involve the customer, or every sprint you can involve the customer to show where we are. So to simply say, inspect and adapt. Please remember, Agile means inspect and adapt. Do something, show it to the customer, get the review comments, incorporate all the changes and adapt the changes, and move on, keep moving for the next feature. Okay. Responding to change over following a plan. Follow a plan. Waterfall method says you have a plan, follow it, but here respond to change. So keep changing, keep adapting to the changes, and keep changing your software, okay, according to the customer interest. Develop small incremental releases and iterate. Whereas waterfall model, you will have a major release, but in this Agile methodology you will have a small releases for every 1 month or 3 weeks. It depends on the sprint cycle. Focus on frequent delivery of products. Yeah, you can deliver 2 features in a cycle, and you can show, or you can give the product to the customer so that they can feel and experience, and they can give it they can come up with comments, and you can incorporate those comments in the future sprints. Complete each feature before moving on to the next. Testing is integrated throughout the project lifecycle. Test early and often. So fail fast and learn quickly and move on. That's what it says. Oh, okay. Agile methodologies. Here you have the sprint product backlog, where you will get the complete features, end-to-end use cases. Then you will take 1 or 2 features in the sprint backlog, and you will have a sprint life cycle. Okay, three weeks and to maximum 3 weeks, and 2 weeks cycles are there. It's up to you. Your team can agree, and depends on the management. And you can say working code ready for deployment. So you have developed some, you have picked up something, you have developed something, and it's ready for deployment. Okay, This is how agile methodology works. Hope this video is useful for your interview preparation. Thank you and all the best for your interview. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe button. Thank you.